This is a replica of an ancient Egyptian ruler that was found in the tomb of Maya in the New Kingdom or the 19th dynasty during the reign of Ramses II. This tool was used in order to measure and assist in shaping and preparing different objects and tombs and temples of ancient Egypt. Most rulers were made into one solid piece, but this one could actually be folded. Today I'm going to explain the components of the measurements that were applied to this ruler, and it's going to start from this end and work its way to the very end. By the New Kingdom, the ruler finally had been standardized, even though prior there were many different sizes. This ruler, which is a replica from a tomb, measures 52.3 centimeters, and that was the standard used to define the royal cubit. This ruler has 3 sections. The first one by which they measured was they started off by measuring a finger, which is known as a jabah, so you could see 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, and you can put them together and shape 3 fingers. Now, after passing 3 fingers, you entered into the palm. Each ruler measured 28 fingers and 7 palms. So right away, you could see here that it indicates a palm, so now you formed 1 palm. After the palm, once you have the 4 fingers, you get the hand. And from here, you could see that this covers the hand. 5 fingers create a hand. After the hand, you get the fist. So when you go from the hand and you close it to a fist, you get 6 fingers. So 6 fingers create a closed fist. After the fist, you get 2 palms, which creates 8 fingers. And you can see the 2 palms over there. 2 palms. Then you get the 3 palms, which creates the small span, and 3 palms and a half creates the large span. Then you get the sacred measurement, which is 4 palms. Then by the 5th palm, you get the remen. Then it completes by the small cubit, small, 6 palms, and then finally by the royal cubit, the 7 palms. On the right side of the ruler, you get the fractions, going by half a finger, a third, a fourth, a fifth, all the way to the 16th, 1/16. And finally, each finger of the 28 sections has a god associated to it, dedicated to the gods of Heliopolis, from where the owner comes from.